Hey guys, I'm gonna show you the coolest dinosaur diorama that we made today. Look, check it out. It has a volcano, it has dinosaurs, and it has stars back there. It also has this. This is an asteroid. The asteroid is the one that hit the Earth 65 million years ago and wiped out all the dinosaurs. So, speaking of dinosaurs, what's the name of this dinosaur right here?
T-Rex.
And is he an herbivore or carnivore?
Carnivore.
Carnivore, good job. And what's the name of this dinosaur right here?
Brachiosaurus.
Brachiosaurus, good job. And what about this purple one right here? What is that dinosaur called?
Stegosaurus.
Stegosaurus, good job. And this baby one right here? What's this one called?
Triceratops.
Triceratops. And is a Triceratops herbivore or carnivore?
Herbivore.
Herbivore, good job. So now, we're gonna make our volcano erupt.
Yeah! Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Dino Rigo playtime.